Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have a Google account and a clear job title or niche keyword. Next, go straight to Google Alerts and paste that job phrase into the box. This is your seed. Once done, choose your delivery email and select as it happens so you get listings immediately. You do this now to capture new postings early. It's faster than periodic checking. Make sure to use the primary email tied to your job search tools so alerts don't get lost. You refine results by adding operators, quotes for exact titles or for alternatives, and to combine skills, and a minus sign to exclude terms. Once refined, change the source to jobs or web depending on availability, because source choice filters noise. Then set language and region so you only receive relevant postings, and choose frequency that balances urgency with volume. You do these middle steps to cut false positives and surface roles that truly match your criteria, saving you time applying. You finalize by naming the alert so you can distinguish it from similar searches and create variations for different seniority levels or cities. After creation, go to Manage Alerts to edit frequency, pause alerts when overloaded, or delete duplicates. If you see no results, broaden your keywords or remove filters. Also check your email spam folder and account filters to ensure alerts arrive. If too many irrelevant hits persist, tighten operators or change the source to reduce noise and improve signal quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.